When using the Biocompression SC4008DL, the device does not have a switch to turn it on. Simply plug the device in and it will go into a standby mode. To wake, simply touch the screen in the center and it will turn on. If you've used this device before or your device has been preset by your therapist, simply wait until the device states the current pressure settings, visually confirm that they are the ones that you wish to use, and the device will now be ready to start. This is ideal if you're wanting to use a quick start without changing settings prior. Simply hit start and you can use the device. If you need to change your settings on your biocompression device, when you wake it up, simply press and hold the bottom right of the screen. This will then take you into a setup mode. You'll note in the setup mode that you can change the pressure in each individual chamber. First up is chamber 1, which is the most distal or bottom chamber. You can set the pressure higher by pressing up or pressing down. To move to the next chamber, simply hit chamber. What you'll note is that each chamber will then be changed sequentially. The pressure in each chamber has to be the same or lower than the previous chamber. If you're happy with this and you don't wish to change each chamber individually, simply hit the next button, which will take you to the next setting. Next up, we have the adjustment of the cycle time. Typically, if you want it to be faster, you will decrease it, going down to 60. If you want it to be a slower cycle speed, you would keep it higher at a 120. To move to the next setting, you can simply hit next, which is your treatment time. Treatment time, it can be adjusted in 5-minute increments by going up or down. Next is the focus setting, which is traditionally off. What this does is it spends an increased duration of 10 minutes, the first 10 minutes, on the chambers selected. So chambers 1 to 3, the device would spend an increased inflation and hold time on chambers 1 through 3, and then continue through chambers 4 to 8. Once happy, you can simply hit next. Pre-therapy spends the first 10 minutes inflating chambers 6, 7, and 8. This is effective if you wish to do a pre-clearance of your more proximal or nearer chambers prior to completing a standard sequential treatment. You can select on or off pending your preference. You will then be taken to your setup screen, which you can simply either go back to the start and set up again, or hit done and it will save these settings and say setup complete. It will give you a summary screen of these settings so you know that you've set the correct things. When you're ready, you can now hit start to start this program. This program will be saved until the next time you change settings. Simply do a quick start as shown previously. As you can see, it states the chamber, the pressure, and then the cycle time and the time remaining. If at any point you wish to stop, simply press and hold the stop button. This will take up to 7 seconds. The device will say, please wait, and then the program will be stopped.